guys, welcome back to Gajin Garage. And today, let me tell you what happened today. We have an amazing day between me and my son Manny. So this morning Manny tells me, hey Dad, I want to go to the junkyard. I'm looking for parts for a friend of mine. Yada yada yada. Alright, let's go. So we went to pick up a wheel for his Blazer. So we found the wheel on the way in. We saw this car on the way out. It's a long story. Anyway, when I was in the junkyard, I picked up a switch motor for the Acura. And the reason why I want to do that is because everything else working on the car except the window. And I got the switch. I don't know if it works or not. Hit like, you share, subscribe. And the other side, taking it out was easy. I broke it. On this side, let's see how it goes. Come on, let's go to the car. So this is a 2004 Acura from Canada. Yeah, it's a Civic, I know. So I did a motor and somebody else did suspension on this. So the window doesn't work, the window motor. What we're gonna do, we're gonna see if I can put a new one on this. It's right here, and somewhere in there. So for me to let it go from here, there's a bolt right there and there. Alright guys, so I got the door out. It's very easy. Got two screws right here. Loosen them up, push it around, got a clip right here in the end. That pops open. Now you got the door handle by itself. So there's three screws, one here, one here, one here. Boom. Now this is the root switch, this is the original switch. I'm gonna test it out before we put it on the car, okay? So very easy. There's your door right there. That door doesn't work. Door in the back doesn't work. So that means that we have problem somewhere on the switch itself. Because now it's working here. It wasn't working like that before. Let me see something. I'll tell you if it's working more differently. Yeah. Oh look, it's working now. I had the window lock on it. Well, that works. It wasn't working before. The back ones are not working. Whoa. For the back ones, I gotta look see if it's a fuse or anything like that holding the back window. There may be a bone or something. But this one doesn't work. And let me try this one. The other one doesn't work. Well, at least that one's working now. So let me look on the fuses. I'll go from there. All right, guys. So with that said, got that running, got it going. Give me about 10 minutes. I want to check on the books if there's anything else has to be done in there to get a power like that, you know what I mean? In the meantime, give me 5 minutes. I want to look into it. All right, guys, so I did finish doing that, and I went online and looked. The switches on the back door don't work. The fuses are good, so I want to check that later on. But the car is done, parked outside, runs great. I had a little vibration on the tires, fixed that. So guys, I just want to say thank you, subscribe, hit like and share. And just a small video today. Peace out. We'll go for a ride on my CRX.